In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set payment reminders on Google Calendar. If you want a simple way to stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid missing due dates, Google Calendar is a great tool for it. Whether you're using your computer or the mobile app, the process is quick and easy, and once you get into the habit of using it, it can make monthly payments much easier to manage. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer or on your phone. Once you're in your calendar, find the date when your payment is due and click or tap directly on that day. This opens the creation box where you can add the reminder details. Next, type a clear and specific title for the payment. For example, you might enter something like electric bill payment, rent due, credit card payment, or internet bill. The key here is to make the title easy to recognize at a glance. A clear name helps you instantly understand what the reminder is for, especially if you have several scheduled payments throughout the month. After entering the title, choose either event or reminder from the creation menu. This step matters because it changes how Google Calendar handles the item. If you select event, you'll typically have more options for editing details later, such as setting a time or adding notes. If you select reminder, the focus is usually more on the alert itself, which can be helpful if your main goal is simply not to forget the payment. When deciding between the two, think about how you want to use your calendar. If you like to keep everything organized in one place and may want to add extra details, event is often the better option. If you want something quick and straightforward, reminder can work well too. As you create the entry, make sure the date is correct. That's especially important for bills with strict deadlines. If your payment is due on a particular day each month, double-check that you're selecting the exact due date before saving anything. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later. This is a simple but effective way to keep your financial tasks visible and organized. By opening Google Calendar, selecting the due date, entering a clear payment title, and choosing event or reminder, you can create a helpful system that keeps important payments from slipping through the cracks. And that's how to set payment reminders on Google Calendar.